Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to use Russian voice on 11labs. So the first thing you have to do is go to this website 11labs.io, then choose the sidebar, click on the sidebar menu and click on the voices option here. It will bring you to a page like this. All you have to do is to click on the collections option above, scroll down to your language section and choose Russian. Click on the Russian pack. Once you click on the Russian pack, it would load a page similar to this, and all you have to do at this point is to sample each voice to make sure it resonates with your project. So once you find a voice that is very similar or would give you what you need for your project, you can add it to your voices. You can click on this option here on the right that says add to my voices, and then from my voices section here you can now edit your project with the new voice you've chosen. If you've enjoyed this video, please leave a like and comment below. Thank you.